This 2026 Highland Ridge Open Range 322 RLS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Highland Ridge is 37 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 4, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, refrigerator, microwave, leveling jacks, oven, smoke detector, water heater, slide-out, awning, and 5 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Highland Ridge Open Range 322 RLS is 9,465 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.